To make a lap zipper, I have two sides of my fabric here, and the first thing I did was to place the fabric right side facing each other. You place your fabric right side facing each other, after which I decided on where my zipper will end, on the length of my zipper, by placing the zipper on the fabric like so, and marking the point at which I want my zipper to reach. I use my chalk to mark the end of where the zipper will be allowed. Then I rule this line to indicate where I'm going to stitch together on the fabric. Make sure it is 1 inch. That place should be 1 inch because we are going to need the 1 inch to make the lap zipper. Make sure you measure it. This is what I have after stitching it together. I stitch together that portion at 1 inch, and I stitch it from the length of the zipper down to the edge of the fabric. And this is what I have, after which I now press it down with my hot pressing iron. I press out the two sides of the 1 inch. Then I place my zipper underneath the fabric like so. On the right side, we are starting work on the right side. Make sure you place your fabric in such a way that it is lying far away from the teeth of the zipper. It is at the extreme edge of the zipper. We are going to stitch on top of the side of the fabric at around 0.2 inches. The teeth of your zipper must not reach the fabric edge. You are going to be stitching on the extreme edge of your zipper, like I'm indicating with this biro, like so. You will stitch on the extreme edge of your zipper, that is on your right side of the zipper where you are standing. You place the edge of your fabric like so. Note that the zipper is lying under the wrong side of the fabric. Then you will place your fabric on top of the zipper like so. This is what I have after stitching it together. Just look at what I'm trying to say. You can see that the zipper is far from the edge of the fabric. Now at the left side of the fabric, when you place it that 1 inch on top of the zipper, you see that it is covering the middle of the zipper because we already push it inward. And even on that left side, we are going to stitch at the edge of the zipper again, because the lap must lie on top of the teeth of the zipper. So you will stitch on the extreme edge so that you don't stitch on top of the teeth of that zip, because the teeth is already at the middle of that left 1 inch allowance for the zipper. So when you place your hand on your fabric, you can feel the extent of your zip, you can feel the edge of your zip, but you can decide to stitch from the wrong side. From the wrong side, you can see how it looks like. The fabric is at the extreme edge. You can use the office pin to pin it down in order for the zipper not to move around. Use your office pin to pin down the left side of the fabric. After placing it, matching it to the other side of the zipper, just pin it down. Make sure your pin is at the middle, very close to the zipper teeth, because you are going to be stitching on the extreme edge. So place your pin very close to the teeth of the zipper there, and then you will be stitching on the edge of the zipper. At the other side there, you will stitch on the edge. So you can turn it to the left side before stitching. After pinning it down, then you will stitch on the zipper at around 0.2 inches or 0.1 inch at the edge there, in order for the fabric to lap very well on top of the teeth of the zip. Then when you are stitching, stitch from up like you did on the other side. Stitch from the top down. Don't stitch. If you stitch in a U version, your fabric will twist like I showed you. It will twist. If you stitch from up, then go round in U version, your fabric will twist. So make sure on the two sides you are stitching from top to the bottom, so that the direction of your fabric is on the same side. It's going down from top to down side, so that your zipper will not twist. After stitching the two sides, this is what I have. You can see the lap is already formed on top of the zipper. The fabric is already lapping. It's already covering the middle of the zipper. Just follow the method as I have shown in order to achieve a very neat work. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel in order to be notified when I post another video such as this. Thank you very much. God bless you.